Built for the guy who has everything and needs to tow it. The Tow and Stow is equipped with multiple ball sizes. Machined from American steel with a 2-stage finish, the Tow and Stow is the last hitch you'll ever need.
This week on Dog Soldier.
Smoking chicken. Hey everybody, I'm Steve Kreiner, the Dog Soldier, and welcome to the brand new season of Dog Soldier right here on the Sportsman Channel. We are super excited. We got a lot of big changes this year. We're gonna have a lot of fun, and we're gonna do pretty much whatever we wanna do. So sit back, and I guarantee you it's gonna be badass. And it all starts right now.
Tell your children not to do what I have done. Spend your lives in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun.
So on that first stand, it was really awesome. That was in the evening, and it's the next morning. We picked up a buddy of mine, Jordan Winkler. We're gonna roll into some canyon country we know of, and we're gonna make some good stands. The only thing bad about this stand is absolutely everything. This is the most horrible stand in the world. We come out on the heel wrong. We come out everything is wrong on this. I'm gonna howl and hope they're over there or around the corner, because everything else is blowed out already, I guarantee it. Now we're just about ready to pull up stakes here. We want to leave. I want to leave. I mean, it's time. This is officially, dude, the stupidest, freaking horriblest stand ever. We was wrong before we even started. Guy coming right around the corner. Right around the corner, not latched to your body. Oh, I see him. Okay. I'll shoot him when he gets down here. You got him right there, dude. I cannot believe that worked. This is the stupidest damn thing I've ever been involved in. Do not replicate this stand if you can keep from it. The only thing we did right here is locate them, howl good, and call good. One good thing about this stand is the new Dog Soldier hand calls it a dead coyote. That is absolutely the only good thing about it. Well, it's awful rewarding when you kill a coyote where everything's bad. So from point A to point B, you gotta be really particular. Don't be seen, heard, or smelled. Everything was bad on this stand and we still made it work out. Well, it was not wasn't the most desirable stand. When we come in, it don't look so bad looking at it from here, but we're not coyotes. We pretty much we come out in the wrong spot. We elected to make a stand. There was a group down in here. Obviously, they didn't come in, so it is what it is. But this coyote, we were gonna make another stand, but we kind of figured she probably was the coyote that howled over the heel at us when we first started the stand, because it did take her about 15 minutes to get here. So, I don't know, not a good stand. The calling and everything worked good. She come in, but it really didn't work. Worked like I wanted it to, but the whole approach was wrong. Well, anyway, we got another group located down here, so we're gonna hit them and see if we can pair them up. Don't go nowhere.